In this legal series, I would like to take the animal laws in India, the animal legislation, how the animal legislation are being followed after initiation in India. Nearly in the world, 45,000 species of the plants and 91,000 species of the animals are counted. These are species. They have to be protected at any cost. They rely on humanity. And for that purpose, our constitution gives the powers to the animals also. If you take our constitution, 51G of the Indian constitution, which gives the citizens to oblige to protect and improve the environment, including forests, lakes and rivers and wildlife. The Indian government is following a more legislation like Wildlife Protection Act and the Environment Protection Act and the forest law and most things through which the Indian government is protecting and responsibility the animals. If you take it, to prevent the source of the cruelty to the animals, the Prevention of the Cruelty Act already was enacted. It gives a power to the authority to punish the people who torture and do the cruelty to the animals. Recently, in 2021, the Kerala High Court has passed an order in one case to punish the offenders because of thrashing the dog. It is a very famous order and it is noted at the Sansun Rally in many cases also. It has been taken precedence as far as animal protection is concerned. Our article of the Constitution, which I say in the following, which are providing the protection to the animals. Article 21, Article 48A, Article 51A(G), which are giving the powers to the authority and most things. And what are the cruelties being applied by the humanity against animals? If you take it, they have taken the animals for the experiment and manipulation of the genetics and for the circus purpose and illegal trading and smuggling of animals and sexual harassment. If you take the sexual harassment, the section 377 of Indian Penal Code, which was existing before the Supreme Court judgment on it. Due to the Supreme Court's judgment, it was removed from the also Indian Penal Code. It gives the punishment to the offenders for illegal sexual conduct, using the animals for this purpose. But it was mainly aimed for the other side of the third type of the people. But now it is a maximum challenge to the animal protection for misusing for the sexual harassment by the humanity. So in the legislation, Animal Protection Act and Prevention of the Animal Cruelty and Wildlife Act and most legislation born out of the articles of the Indian Constitution are providing more teeth to the authorities under this act to do. So we should also preserve the animals, whether domesticated and wild animals, whatever may be. We have to protect them. We have to give them more. They have also rights according to articles of our Constitution. So it is a necessity of the time to protect these animals. We have to preserve the also 91,000 species of the animals and 45,000 of the species of the plants, which are necessary. These are rights and duties of our humanity. Thank you.